Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. The invention of aircraft marked a significant milestone in human history, transforming how we travel and conduct warfare. Wilbur and Orville Wright, after 4 years of meticulous research and development, unveiled the first successful powered airplane, the 1903 Wright Flyer. This groundbreaking flight took place at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina on December 17, 1903, with Orville at the controls, promising a new era of aviation. Less than a decade later, the potential of aircraft in combat was realized. On June 7, 1912, the Wright brothers were involved in another pivotal experiment, this time with the United States Army. A Wright Model B aircraft was outfitted with a prototype Lewis gun, designed by Colonel Isaac N. Lewis. Today, helicopters equipped with advanced weaponry and technology demonstrate the pinnacle of aerial combat capabilities. U.S. gunners, utilizing sophisticated targeting systems and tactics, skillfully destroy targets with precision during intense helicopter operations, meeting the complex demands of contemporary warfare. Helicopters have become indispensable in modern warfare, providing critical air support operations that can turn the tide of a battle. Their ability to hover, take off, and land vertically allows them to operate in diverse and challenging environments where traditional aircraft might struggle. This versatility makes them ideal for close air support, troop transport, medical evacuations, and reconnaissance missions. In these operations, the role of the door gunner is crucial. A door gunner is a key crew member responsible for operating and maintaining crew-served weapons on a military helicopter. Their duties vary depending on the mission, but they often handle fully automatic Gatling guns or pintle-mounted miniguns. Door gunners provide essential firepower, protecting the helicopter and its crew while delivering precise and sustained fire against enemy targets. Their expertise and vigilance ensure the success of missions, often making the difference between life and death in high-stakes situations. One notable example of a helicopter air support operation is during Operation Black Dart. This annual exercise, held by the Department of Defense, is the largest live-fire counter-unmanned aerial systems event. It aims to evaluate and advance technologies used in both unmanned and counter-unmanned systems. During this exercise, an MH-60R from Helicopter Maritime Strike Squadron 75 and an MH-60S from Helicopter Sea Combat Squadron 8 took part in a live fire drill off the coast of Naval Base Ventura County, Point Mugu. The helicopters engaged in tracking and shooting down target drones, showcasing their precision and effectiveness in neutralizing aerial threats. This exercise not only highlights the capabilities of these helicopters, but also underscores the critical role they play in modern military operations. Operation Black Dart brings together service members from all military branches, along with industry leaders, to test and refine their skills and technologies. The helicopters that are used are equipped with sophisticated sensors and weaponry, demonstrating their ability to perform under pressure and providing valuable insights into the integration and performance of cutting-edge aerial combat systems. By simulating real-world scenarios, Operation Black Dart ensures that military personnel are prepared to face the evolving challenges of modern warfare, making it a crucial component of the defense strategy. In addition to machine guns, helicopters sometimes use snipers for special operations, a technique known as aerial sniping. These examples show how guns are integrated into helicopters, but modern aircraft often have these systems embedded rather than external. For instance, the Boeing H-64 Apache, a twin-turboshaft attack helicopter, features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision, a 30mm M230 chain gun under its forward fuselage, and hardpoints for missiles and rockets. Its built-in weapon systems and redundant systems ensure combat effectiveness and survivability. Another revolutionary feature of the Apache is its helmet-mounted display, the Integrated Helmet and Display Sighting System, IHADS. This system allows the pilot or gunner to control the helicopter's 30mm M230 chain gun with their head movements, making the gun track where they look. The M230E1 can also be fixed in a forward firing position or controlled via the Target Acquisition and Designation System, TADS. In modern AH-64s, the TADS and PNVS has been upgraded to Lockheed Martin's Arrowhead MTADS targeting system. Known as a tank buster, the Apache's advanced targeting and weapon systems make it a formidable force in combat. Beyond traditional helicopter designs, other advanced aircraft like the V-22 Osprey also feature sophisticated defensive systems. The V-22 Osprey, a tilt-rotor military aircraft with both vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, and short takeoff and landing, STOL capabilities, is equipped with impressive weaponry. It includes a removable M240 machine gun and a retractable GAU-17 minigun, which can rotate 360 degrees, allowing it to attack from any angle and providing comprehensive defensive capabilities. The retractable gun system gives a significant advantage on the battlefield, enabling flexible and responsive firepower. However, this sophisticated system involves numerous mechanisms to operate smoothly and effectively. With the increased complexity comes a higher rate of wear and tear on the equipment. The intricate mechanics of the belly-mounted gun demand regular and meticulous maintenance to ensure it remains operational and reliable during critical missions. Regular inspections are crucial to identify any potential issues early, preventing minor problems from becoming major malfunctions. Timely repairs, often requiring specialized knowledge and tools, are necessary to address wear and tear and ensure each component functions correctly. Proper handling and operation of the gun system also play a vital role in maintaining its condition, as incorrect use can accelerate damage and reduce the system's effectiveness. The maintenance of these advanced systems underscores the importance of skilled technicians who are trained to deal with the complexities of the equipment. These professionals must follow rigorous maintenance protocols, often outlined in detailed technical manuals, to ensure that every aspect of the gun system is checked and serviced regularly. This meticulous care is essential not only for the longevity of the equipment, but also for the safety and success of the missions that rely on these advanced aircraft systems. Regular training and updates of the maintenance crews are also critical, as they need to stay abreast of the latest techniques and technologies to keep these systems in peak condition. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.